I'm making some legs for a entrance table. I don't have a table out here right now. I'm just gonna make them out of 2x4s. I'm gonna glue 2x4s together, cut them down to size, and then plane them out and make some legs for it. I'll have the tabletop in another video since I get it out here. For now, I'm just gonna glue. I've already got that one there glued together. I'm just gonna glue them together, and make sure you clamp it real good when you glue. My glue kind of got cold and frozen, so it's not as thin as it's supposed to be, but it still seems to be working still, so try to use it up. So I will be back as soon as all the boards are glued and ready to go to the next step. Okay, all the boards are glued together now and clamped. So we'll just give it about 24 hours to dry, and then we will cut it and start making the legs. Now I need to measure how tall I want it, cut them that length. Okay, now I'm just going to stain it. Alright, we'll let this dry. Okay, the first coat's dry, so we're going to do the second coat, kind of darken it up to make it match the top a little bit more. Alright, again, we'll let this dry. Alright, I've decided also on this table, the entrance table, I want to make a shelf, bottom shelf on the legs. So, again, I have 1x4s laying around, so I'm going to just glue some 1x4s together and make a shelf out of that. I want them to be flush with the edge of the legs, so for now I'm going to cut it just a smidge longer. There I got room to work with. Alright, looks like 4 boards would be perfect for this. So we'll get them glued together. Alright, let's get gluing. Alright, now we'll clamp it up. Alright, we'll let that dry overnight. Alright, that'll be dry. Alright, this is too wide to go through the planer, so I'll have to sand it all down. Alright, sand it down. Put a coat of stain on her. Alright, we'll let that dry. Alright, now I'll go ahead and restain the ends since I've been cut. Alright, we'll let that dry. Alright, now it's dry, so we're going to put some polyurethane on it. Alright, polyurethane's dry now. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill some holes to mount the legs to the table. Now we'll pre-drill for insetting the screw head down, and then I'll drill the hole for the screw. Alright, all 4 legs are pre-drilled. Alright, I'm going to drill the rest of the way through with just a hand drill. Alright, now we'll attach the legs. Alright, now the legs are attached, so we just need to put the bottom shelf on. We'll do a dry fit before we make the brackets. Alright, about like that's how she's going to sit. So we'll cut some little pieces of 1x4 and just tack them on for a little lip to sit on. I want to make sure it's level, so I'm going to measure down, mark where I'm going to put the brace at. I'm making a shelf about 5 inches off the floor. I'll put the brace about 5 inches. Helps if you put nails in the nail gun. I do need to stain this before I put it on, so let me get a stain on it and we'll be right back. Alright, now it's been stained, so let's go ahead and attach them. Alright, so I made a mistake. I attached the braces when the shelf, after the shelf fell, so I kept the shelf on to pull the legs in too tight. So I need to make sure the shelf is in place. I'll go ahead and tack on the brace to the shelf. Then I'll tack the brace to the legs. Alright, so we attach the brace to the shelf. Now we'll attach the brace to the legs. One thing I did add was rubber pads to the legs, just for protection of our floor is vinyl, and it would kind of protect it a little bit. Alright, it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.